Looking for the best bridge cameras to capture stunning photos and videos? In this video, we'll explore top-rated bridge cameras perfect for beginners, wildlife enthusiasts, and travel photographers. Stay tuned to find the ideal camera that combines powerful zoom, 4K video, and professional quality features in one compact design. If you want to know about price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Canon PowerShot SX70HS. The Canon PowerShot SX70HS digital camera bundle is a top contender among the best bridge cameras, offering incredible performance and versatility for photographers of all levels. Perfect for both professionals and bridge cameras for beginners, this renewed bundle includes a 64GB Extreme Pro memory card, a flexible tripod, a soft case bag, a memory card wallet, and a cleaning kit to ensure you're always ready to capture stunning moments. Equipped with a 20.3 MP CMOS sensor and Digic 8 image processor, this camera delivers up to 10 frames per second shooting and UHD 4K video recording, including 4K time-lapse capabilities. Its impressive 65x optical zoom lens, 21 to 1365mm equivalent, effortlessly handles everything from wide-angle shots to distant subjects, while the 5-stop image stabilization ensures sharp, shake-free images and videos. The camera features a 2.36 OLED electronic viewfinder for clear, eye-level shooting, along with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for easy sharing and remote operation. As one of the top budget bridge cameras for 2025, the Canon PowerShot SX70HS is an ideal choice for capturing breathtaking landscapes, wildlife, or action shots, making it a perfect blend of performance and convenience in one bundle. Number 2. Panasonic LUMIX FZ80D. The Panasonic LUMIX FZ80D long-zoom digital camera is a standout choice among the best bridge cameras, offering exceptional features for photographers and videographers. Designed with a rugged, splash-proof, and dust-proof body, it's perfect for outdoor adventures and is a top pick for those seeking the best bridge cameras for wildlife photography. Equipped with a Leica DC Vario Elmarit 24x zoom lens, 25 to 600mm, and a constant f/2.8 aperture, it excels in capturing crisp, detailed images, even in low-light conditions. This camera's 12.1-megapixel high-sensitivity MOS sensor and Venus engine ensure high-quality, artifact-free images with excellent diffraction compensation. The standout feature is Panasonic's 4K video and 4K photo technology, which lets you extract high-resolution photos from 30 frames per second Ultra HD video, ensuring you never miss a critical moment. The FZ80D also features a 5-axis hybrid optical image stabilizer plus, which reduces blur during handheld shooting by compensating for 5 types of movement. Its level shot function keeps your horizon line straight, even when the camera is tilted. With built-in Wi-Fi for seamless sharing and remote control, this bridge camera combines durability, performance, and advanced technology, making it an excellent choice for wildlife photographers and anyone looking for bridge cameras with 4K video capabilities. Number 3. Nikon COOLPIX P950. The Nikon COOLPIX P950 is a powerhouse among the best bridge cameras, offering an incredible 83x super zoom lens with a 35mm equivalent of 24 to 2000mm, ideal for those seeking the best long-zoom bridge cameras. It features a 16MP CMOS sensor for sharp photos and UHD 4K video at 30 frames per second, perfect for capturing distant details with stunning clarity. This deluxe bundle includes everything you need for an enhanced shooting experience: a SanDisk 64GB SD card, spare battery, telephoto lens, filter kit, camera bag, and more. Compact and travel-friendly, the P950 is one of the best compact bridge cameras for travel, equipped with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for easy sharing on the go. Whether you're capturing wildlife or epic landscapes, this camera delivers versatility and convenience in one package. Number 4. Sony CyberShot RX10 IV. The Sony CyberShot RX10 IV digital camera stands out as one of the best bridge cameras, combining professional-grade performance with an all-in-one design. With a powerful 20.1 MP CMOS sensor and the advanced Bionz X processing engine, it delivers exceptional image quality and up to 24 frames per second continuous shooting, making it a versatile choice for photography enthusiasts. The fast hybrid AF system locks focus in just 0.03 seconds, ensuring you never miss a moment, whether you're shooting stills or video. This camera excels in low-light situations, making it one of the best bridge cameras for low-light photography. Its 4K movie capabilities with full pixel readout capture stunning detail and vibrant colors, while fast and accurate autofocus ensures smooth tracking during video recording. Perfect for those deciding between bridge cameras versus DSLRs, the RX10 IV offers the benefits of a DSLR's performance in a more compact and travel-friendly design. This bundle includes everything you need: an LCD protector, 72mm 3-piece filter kit, 128GB memory card, 2 rechargeable batteries with a dual charger, and a stylish messenger camera bag. Whether you're capturing landscapes, action shots, or cinematic videos, the RX10 IV delivers unmatched performance and convenience in a single package. Number 5. Panasonic LUMIX FZ80D. The Panasonic LUMIX FZ80D is a top contender among the best bridge cameras, offering impressive zoom capabilities and advanced features for photographers and videographers alike. With its 60x zoom lens, 35mm equivalent, 20 to 1200mm, you can capture everything from wide landscapes to detailed close-ups, making it perfect for versatile shooting situations. This camera is a great choice for those seeking affordable bridge cameras for vlogging, as it records stunning 4K video and boasts a 4K photo feature that lets you extract 8-megapixel stills from video. The FZ80D also includes a large 2.36mm LVF live viewfinder that ensures clarity even in bright sunlight, giving you an always clear view of your scene. Its Power Optical Image Stabilizer (OIS) effectively reduces hand shake, providing sharp images and videos even at maximum zoom. One standout feature is its post-focus function, which lets you choose the focus area even after taking the shot, offering additional creative flexibility. If you're looking for bridge cameras with manual controls, the FZ80D gives you full control over your shots, enabling you to adjust settings to match your shooting style. Whether you're capturing fast-paced action or scenic panoramas, the Panasonic LUMIX FZ80D delivers outstanding performance in a compact, easy-to-use package. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information about these products, do check out my description. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.